lovely Twitch chat. Hello, it is I, your not so favorite, not so cisgender anime cat girl, and today we are playing Party Animals. I was kicked!
Huh?
No, I wasn't. Well, you will be kicked if you're inactive, if you're AFK. Okay, Stu.
Oh man, my
I
controller's
want gatito.
I puppy dog.
I have an eye patch.
Fancy cat. It's cat. The cooler cat.
With cat, dog, and cooler cat.
Ow! Ow!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How do I pick it up? How do I pick it up?
Did you skip the tutorial completely? Oh
Yes.
my god, I'm getting shot
Why
at.
across
Help me.
now?
Stop. Ow.
Don't you touch me! Oh, you want to see
Ow.
Jesus?
I can't.
I'm dead.
You can
What?
die in this
Wait,
game!
This is starting off so great.
Wait, you're already dead? Can't get up?
I don't think I can get up. Oh, there I go. Whoa. Please,
Hug,
can I
Hey,
grab-
hug me, brother! Hug me,
go.
brother!
How do I bonk you? Do I
How'd
just
you pick it
smack
up?
you?
How'd you pick it up?
I wanna come here. Wait, let's
Oh.
shoot. Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
I got knocked
here.
the fuck out.
Come here.
Stop shooting me!
It's out of ammo.
Oh,
Bonk.
oh my god! Ah!
Oh,
Yeah.
I won. I knocked you all off.
I want that
Ready to go.
potion!
Oh, I want the baseball bat.
What does it do?
I don't know.
Frying pan.
What? No, it's not the fault.
Go down! Have
It'd
fun!
be nice to
Have
be a
fun.
little app. I
Have
died.
fun! Go die! Go down! Come on!
Oh.
Come
You're
on!
holding me.
Yeah, I know! Come on! Also,
Oh,
hi, James.
oh.
Can I get a shot for James? Come here. Stop that!
That was such a disrespectful smack.
Put me down! Put me down! Put me down! No! Stop that! No! I don't want to go!
Literally chucking you off the ledge. That's crazy.
What does this do? Wait, how do I use it? Ow! It's mine! I'm playing on controller.
Oh.
My frying pan!
Oh, you can toss
What
balls
the
at you guys! Banana.
Come here.
Darn, I don't have banana money.
How do I use items?
Oh, left click or trigger, I think.
Oh god!
Banana.
Cold pussy!
Imagine.
Don't touch me!
Imagine.
Don't touch me! Don't get away from here! Don't touch me with your
something up.
disgusting
Wait.
claws! Oh god, the gas is spreading! The gas!
Damn.
I died.
Welcome back.
Look back.
I win.
Ow. Bonka 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 bonka.
I want to feel tall. Oh.
I was like actively falling over. That's so funny.
We're on a boat!
A boat? I kind of hate boats. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, sorry if you can hear my dog.
It's okay.
I'll go. Oh,
Oh my god, it's so thin.
I have a 1,000-ton hammer.
Oh god! No! Give me that! I want that hammer! Get in the water! Get in the water! Get in the water! No! No!
Like too busy punching you. Damn. Please let me in. Let me
No!
out. Let me in.
No!
I'm like caught on something.
No!
Please.
Help me!
I'm drowning.
Help me! Help me! Help
It's not letting me. It's not letting me out. Will you be nice to me if I stay down here?
I don't think you're gonna last long down there.
Come on, climb! Climb, pup, climb!
No, I'm about to get my. No, please stop bumping me. Please. Oh my god, please.
Oh my god.
Please be nice to me. I'm little.
How are you still alive?
Come on, pup! Wait.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
no.
How do we? Ow. Not you throwing punches underwater.
Oh, what are you wanting?
I'm dead.
No, you won! I haven't gotten a single point.
I'm so sorry.
Let me win this round. Oh my god, Anderson!
Popeye!
What do you have?
What is that?
Popeye.
Popeye? Like the sailor?
Yep.
We're on a boat. Makes sense. Arf.
Stop saying skill issue in chat!
Please, please, please. Fuck, fuck.
Oh,
wait,
no,
you're
get
fine. Get him, get him, get him. Ow. Wait. Oh, man. Oh, man. Not me immediately falling in the water from a singular hit.
Shit.
I'm gonna bonk you! Shit.
We gotta start climbing.
Fuck, how to let go? How to let go of this thing?
Double tap
Good luck,
the
good luck.
button.
I have no clue either. It wouldn't let me earlier.
Ow.
I gotta swing in though.
Hi!
Ow.
Get your ass out there! Let me win for once! Oh god. Please.
Are you both dead? That's so
Nope.
funny.
Stop hitting my dead body, you fucker!
The violence in the captain's quarters kind of going crazy RN.
Oh,
Throw somebody! Somebody throw. Not me though. Oh. That kind of sucks.
No!
I literally jumped out. How did I do that?
Fuck! No! I drowned! Oh, it's Jover, it's Jover, no! Oh my god, the Walter dog!
Walter dog?
The gold dog, it's Walter.
Walter.
That's a bull terrier.
I call them Walter dogs.
Okay.
Or the target dog.
Wait. Why is this AI doing better than us? Hold on. Be so serious.
What?
How did? Okay.
He's shaking my ass at us! The funny monkey's shaking its ass at us! Funny monkey's too strong.
No. Ow. I'm just gonna beat her up. Question mark.
No, gets in!
Oh!
Go. We got this. It's not Jover. It's not Jover yet. It is not Jover.
It's not Jover!
It's
It's Jover, it's Jover.
It's so Jover.
Beast-talkie.
This is like the one sport I enjoyed playing.
Oh my god! What? That's cheating!
I didn't even get a chance to move. Like you see the AI moves before anybody else.
Yeah!
Jesus.
We weren't ready!
Okay.
Okay, we're ready this time.
Oh, where did I go?
Whoa.
Dang. Oh, ow. You got this. No, defend. Oh my god, this AI.
And it's on normal too.
Maybe I'm just really bad at video games.
Probably.
Oh. I just got
Damn
kicked in
it.
the head.
Excuse me.
What the fuck?
Literally knocked me out of the way.
Did you see me? Okay, clearly this was cheating because that gorilla got that gorilla grip.
The gorilla grissy.
I knocked out my AI.
What did you just say?
Huh?
I knocked out my AI.
Stop. Stan, just let us have a point. 1 point.
You can have it when you earn it.
I bet you the AI doesn't have pronouns. Or green hair, or blue hair.
bra on its head.
What if the gorilla doesn't have
Ow.
like any hair?
Gorillas are covered in hair. They're mammals.
Well, some mammals don't have hair, like naked mole rats.
They have a little bit of hair.
Yeah, but not
As
a lot.
treat.
As a treat.
As a treat.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we get it.
We
You won.
lost.
Oh, not this shit again.
Buzzball? Oh, is this like Rocket League, but
Basketball.
like not? Yeah.
Buzzball's just
Hooray.
another. It's just a drink.
Yeah.
It happened again!
Stop!
She
Stop!
was
Stop!
like
You're
that.
cringe. You're cringe. You're actually cringe.
No pronouns or colored hair.
No pronouns? Like no bitches with pronouns? No pronouns?
Yeah, see, by the time the game started, she'd already had the ball and been like halfway across the field. Be so serious, Aaron. Ugh.
I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it!
Get it, yeah. You got this, I believe in you.
How do I cause it? Get in! Get in! Get in!
Please!
Yes!
Yeah! I got it, I got it, I got it. Arf, 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 arf.
God
Oh,
damn
got
it!
it, she got it.
Not
Arf.
again! Not again!
And she's... Hey, it's cracked. What is this?
Imagine if it was on hard mode. Jesus.
Yeah, Jesus. Please give us an unfair advantage. Oh!
Whoa!
What the fuck?
What happened? What was that?
What happened? What happened? Get it! Get it! Get it!
Please, please.
Go!
No, please. Get it, please. We gotta win another
No!
one.
Let me in!
Revenge me. What?
No! We almost had it! It was literally right here!
Damn.
We almost had it! It was like this! Trebuchet.
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 Oh, we're launching explosives.
Yippee! Okay. Wait, how do we... Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, push.
Oh,
Go,
sorry.
supposed to even have a screen. Thank you, Nab. Enjoy your lurk.
Wait! Wait!
Hey! What's up with you? Why? Hello? I just got launched? Ow. The AI is stuck under the under the gate. Oh, that's so funny.
Oh, shit.
Good!
He killed me.
Good!
Good. Oh, I'm sorry. I was holding your hand. Ow.
Holding hands as we launch a trebuchet.
OMG.
Trebuchet, more like trebugay. Ow!
I think the gorilla's homophobic.
She is!
Ow.
Oh, let's go!
Go, go, go.
Damn it!
Wait, wait. Fuck! You launched me though.
Yeah, well, he got her out, so... Damn it!
Bye.
Ow! Ow! I'm crushed! Ow! Damn.
Get off
I
my
got fucking-
ass!
I got fucking squished.
Damn it! Ow! No!
You punching us both in the back of the head, first off.
Ow!
Hi. Oh.
What the
Jesus.
dog
Games on your
doing?
phone?
Aw,
finished.
game over. That was fun.
That was really fun.
You gotta do a big collab of this. I'm gonna try and make a big collab.
There is another
too.
game mode with 2 games.